Hello, my people. Welcome back to another class of trade setup. And this time around, I'm going to give you something more, which is simplicity. How can you practice simplicity in your trading uh, exercise? It's what you do every day. But if you try to practice simplicity, and simplicity will not guarantee your success, will not guarantee profitable, but it's going to give you a very, very good safety net against your mental stress, the the mental stress you're facing, the up and down, press, and kind of thing that you face in the market. You are and I face in the market. So how can you break it down like let's say 60% below to half your mental disability thing? So what is the thing you're gonna use is you're gonna have to use a large data. If I'm saying large data, means uh using a very, very higher time frame. You see, market is is people. You and I we are the market. And the language of it is our emotions, our fear, greed, everything that is happening to us on this emotional in this market is what market is translating into candle. So candle is a language, but where is it getting those data from? It's getting it from us, traders out there. The greed, the fear, you know, the downtown, the consolidation, all those kind of stuff, they are emotions. If market is trending, they are motivated. That means people are motivated. They're trying to invest, they're trying to pump money into that currency or that commodity. They are very motivated. And if market is less motivated, you will see the trend is not going to move so well. And if people are confused, they don't really know what is going to happen on this currency or on this commodity, you will see how market will be consolidating. So, and when fear comes in, when fear comes in, you see people be trying to sell off because the element of market is going up. So market will be start sell off because people are scared. People are scared. So that kind of emotions is what market use as information to speak, to use candle as a language. So all you cannot just understand what candle is telling you. So this is monthly time frame. If you want to practice simplicity, as from 2026, you want to practice simplicity into your trading career, even anything you are doing, business, anything you want to do, you need to practice simplicity. It means just know what you need to do and stick to that what you need to do. So let's say you want to use, based on what I just said, if you want to play simplicity game, you need to use large data, which is monthly time frame. Let's just say our market of the day, but then for all 2025, it started right here. 2025 started right there. Jan 2025, you can see it here. So as you can see, since then, this whole year was a buy. So let us say you're not a trader, you're just kind of investor or something like that, and you've been buying gold for the beginning of this year, and see your return. So you're also a trader, yes, but you're trading on a large data. So you cannot compare this kind of person, this kind of trader, this kind of mind to a person that is trading on 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours. You cannot compare. This man is using live data. And what is meant by very strong data is because this monthly candle is have a very good informative for you. If market is bullish like this, it's telling you that buyers are in control. There was a so overall trend is bullish, as we all know. Gold has been bullish from the beginning of this time, and it will continue bullish. So all those breaking down was just like just a breeze. So if you have a very good bullish candle form on a monthly basis, candle, my friend, why would you fight this following month? Oh, this month I'm going for short. Like when January closed, this very strong. So if you decide to buy from February up to now, and you can see, like I said, market is motivated. People are motivated. They are very motivated to pump money into this. And see where they get less motivated. They are not scared in this area. They are only confused. They're only confused around here. So we off confusion here. They do not panic. And when they get their motivation again, boom, this last 5 months up to now has been booming with bullish. You see, bullish, conviction, bullish. There's no even say fear, fear happening, all this fear happen around here before they get their momentum back. So there is no fear at all. This 2024, 2025, I mean, sorry. There's no fear at all. So we don't know what 2026 will give, but we still have to keep the momentum. Now, let's say you have a very strong bullish candle on a monthly basis like this. Why would you be going for selling the following months? Why would you be going for selling when you have this live data? So I'm just going to make one or two examples. Let's say, maybe I don't want to talk too much. So let us say last month until this month. So you could see that even with this movement, market bring very reverse, like a very, very good reverse right here. Like, oh boy, they're not trying to go anymore. But this month, they're supposed to confirm the selling, like maybe take it down. We also bounce back. So this can seem like a very good performance. Okay, let me looking for buy. So if you are looking for buy for this December based on this data, not because of your what you think, it's not what you think, because you see that anytime bullish was in control, buy in control, it always indicates and it always moves in that direction. So if you focus on buy alone, so now drop to daily time frame. This is a trader too. Maybe I could say, oh, this is swing trading, this is this is that. It doesn't mean that you can't trade often in between this timeline. So I'm going to show you, because many of us are very obsessed with the chart. We like to just come to the chart to see what is happening, participate, kind of things. So it's very easy. So you want to look for buy from this month, which started easy closing months. So because of the way the candle month close, so you want to buy, and your target is this high and probably that high. Oh, like I'm trading this month, and because it's bullish, and these are the high I can see. I see this nearest high, and I see this all-time high, which I can target. So now all you have to do is just understand the same concept you used on that monthly basis. Just know when they are ready to go up. So you could see this is the first of January, December. Not very good. I'm not ready to buy. Of course, you don't want to jump in like that. You want market to give you a few days, 2 to 3 days down. And you could see this, a very down and very good rejection. This kind of thing can keep you where the rejection come from. It came from here. So now I'm not in rush. I just want a bullish candle to form. Like we are ready to buy. As you can see, they are not ready to buy. But when they're ready to buy here, trust me, buying from this level doesn't mean that you are swinging, or that you cannot drop down to, by the time you have your daily confirmation that, oh, my daily time is now speaking the monthly information. Monthly says I should buy, but daily was still trying to find a place to move. So, and when you have this first bullish movement, a very good one, 6 some liquidity below and closing bullish, since all this area By now you can go down to your like your 1 hour, 4 hour to what to participate more often. You like to be in this chair. So all you have to do is just maybe practice the same thing. You have been buying, let market breathe back little before you go in. You can use 1 hour, you can use 4 hour. With this, you can possibly have 5 to 6 or almost like 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 trade in a month if you know how to use like this lower time frame and sort of things. So all you have to be focused is the breakout area where market breakout recently. You want market to come to the breakout area and see some confirmation for buy. That is what you just need to be doing. But what that higher time frame will give you is simplicity. It's easy to read, it's easy to follow, and it's easy to scale. It's easy to scale. When you are seeing thousands of pips ahead, it gives you like seeing something around almost 2,000 pips to come out. It's around 175 if market go to that place. So you can know that it's easy for you to scale and it's easy for you to manage because it's clear. So this is simplicity in trading. Is by using a large data, higher time frame, then higher time frame for another confirmation, which is like daily, then being in market. Being in market. The rest for you to do is to understand the mathematics of your risk management. Okay, I'm using 1% of my account per week. Just keep it like 1% per week or 2% per week. Then you can know with this on of entry, you can have like 1 or 2 entry in a week. Trust me, it doesn't matter how the account size you're trading at all. It doesn't matter at all. You're trading $100, you're trading $1,000, you're trading pro firm 100K. It doesn't matter. The mathematics work and the simplicity that you are playing here is the key. So when you do it for like a month, 2 months, you can now see that this is just about figure. So if I could increase my figure and practice this same ritual, then I'm definitely going to be a very good, successful trader here, which is very, very uh, calculatable and you can see it clearly. If you go back to example of another month that are a bullish month, like this month now, I just make it like, oh, it's easy. Is this how it's easy? So let us see when market was actually, so let us, this when market was in conviction area here, when they were analysis, that did not give them a very good motivation to start buying. And when we have this very strong one, this can say, oh, this is about right time people are getting motivated. They want to pump money into this gold. It's like something is happening otherwise of other side of what is happening before. So we have this kind of confirmation. Oh, so you want to trade this month, which is month of September. So now remember, you are using the same concept. You are using the same concept. The concept is you want to say a daily to to come down and do something, maybe a breakout area or fair value gap. Those are the things that you'll be looking out for. The breakout, the fair value gap. So in this kind of scenario, it doesn't mean that you're going to buy here straight. You just want to market ready to go up here. By now, trust me, all you have to do is what? Just go down to that lower time frame, your monthly time frame. So you are believing that with this kind of entry, it's like possibly the entry for the whole month, but you want to scale. So you want to scale up. So let us see where month ends, September, October 30. So it ends there. There, exactly. So in this kind of things, you will have a lot of things to scale up here. And what are you using also? You are using market should drive down. And what are we going to drive down drive down to maybe fair value gap, which you gladly have one here, have another possibly, that's it's not very gap there. And maybe another breakout. So this actually, there's not a good breakout here. So if you ever look up here, work and so on and so like that. So in this scenario, you have this breakout, and possibly you have another. If you ever look up here, they can come back to this is how, and another breakout here, maybe it's going to come back there. Those are the things that you're going to be using for you to scale up. So by the end of the month, you can possibly have like 5, 6, 7, highest like 8 trade if you are very, very still addicted to this game. So what I'm telling you here is not a magic. It's just how this game will be simple for you to play, because you are not giving up. There's no way you are giving up. So, and the opposite of what you are now. So I don't know the situation you're here now, the position you are here in the trading system. But if the profitable has not come yet, you have not get to that point, and you are still keep playing the game, definitely you're going to get to the other side, and the other side is profitable. So congratulations ahead. Congratulations ahead again. But try to implement this kind of simplicity into your trading exercise. Trust me, you'll be amazed. And if you are interested in a academy that will teach you how human behavior move markets. Not everything is market. We all know that. So how human activities, human psychology, human anatomy, anything about human, combining you and I, how it move markets. That is, you're going to learn how market moves, market movement. Then you're going to learn a lot of things, which is a self-mastery and a very, very solid strategy. A lot. And that part of it is, it's not about you're coming here on this academy to learn how to do things, is to bring out what is already in you. You know, when you apply to a platform where they bring out the best of you, not what they want it to be. They bring out the best in you, the best ever to be in you. So that is what the academy will give you. The name of the academy is AZ Academy. So powered by Dolphin. But if you have interest, just comment and I'll share you the link. So if this video is not clear enough, watch and watch and watch again. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Oh, it's another week already. Today is Sunday. Have a wonderful trading week. Bye.